There was a time when I felt confident about who I was and what I could do. I was not the best student in my class, but I was not afraid to speak. I used to raise my hand, share my ideas, and try new things, even if I was not completely sure about the result. I believed that making mistakes was normal. But one year, something happened that slowly changed me. I failed an important exam. It was not just a small mistake or a low score. It was a big failure, and I felt very disappointed in myself. Some of my classmates looked surprised when they saw my result. A few of them even said, "I thought you were good at this." They did not mean to hurt me, but their words stayed in my mind for a long time. After that, I had to give a presentation in front of the class. I prepared a lot, but when I stood in front of everyone, I suddenly forgot what I wanted to say. My mind went blank. I felt my face getting hot, and my hands started shaking. I heard a few students laughing quietly. It was not a big moment for them, but for me, it felt terrible. That night, I kept thinking about it again and again. I asked myself, what is wrong with me? And slowly, I started to doubt myself. Part 2. Losing my voice. After those experiences, I began to change. Even when I knew the answer in class, I did not raise my hand anymore. I was afraid that I might say something wrong and embarrass myself again. I also stopped sharing my opinions with my friends because I felt that maybe my ideas were not good enough. I started comparing myself to other people all the time. When someone did something well, I thought, they are smarter than me. When someone made a mistake, I thought, at least they are better than me in other things. I became my own biggest critic. If someone gave me a compliment, I did not believe it. I thought they were just being nice. But if someone criticized me, even a little, I believed every word. My inner voice changed. Before, it used to say, "You can do it, just try." Now it said, "Don't try, you will fail again." Because of this fear, I avoided many opportunities. I did not join competitions. I did not volunteer for projects. I stayed quiet and invisible. Deep inside, I missed the old version of myself, the one who was brave and excited to learn. But I did not know how to bring that person back. Part 3. Rebuilding step by step. One day, something small but important happened. My teacher asked a question in class, and I knew the answer very clearly. As usual, I wanted to stay silent. My heart was beating fast, and I felt nervous. But then my teacher looked at me and said kindly, "You used to participate more. I know you have good ideas." That simple sentence touched me deeply. It reminded me that I was not always like this. I was not born without confidence. I had built it before. And if I built it once, maybe I could build it again. The next day, I decided to try something different. I raised my hand. My voice was not strong, and I was still nervous, but I spoke. Nothing bad happened. No one laughed. The world did not end. In fact, my teacher smiled and said, "Good answer." That small moment gave me hope. I understood that confidence doesn't come back in one day. It grows slowly, just like a plant. You need to take care of it and give it time. So I started taking small steps. I spoke a little more. I accepted small challenges. I allowed myself to make mistakes without hating myself for them. Some days were still difficult. Sometimes I felt insecure again, but this time I did not give up. I learned something very important. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about accepting your mistakes and continuing anyway. Today, I still have moments when I feel unsure, but I no longer let one failure decide who I am. Because losing confidence doesn't mean you're weak. It simply means you're growing. If you feel like you have lost your confidence, remember this: you are not alone. Many people go through the same experience. Confidence can be rebuilt. You just need to take one small step today. Speak once. Try once. Believe in yourself just a little more than yesterday. And one day, you will realize that you did not lose your confidence forever. You were simply learning how to become stronger.